Ophelia, you were in my mind just like a pig.
It's not a pig, you little crazy monkey.
What is it? You were in my mind just like a flood. Ophelia, you were in my mind since the flood.
Today we're back.
We're cooking the peonies. The beanies. No, bamini. No, it's a bamini.
Guys,
Bamini.
paninis. We're cooking paninis. One of my favorite meals to make when you're tired, I'm a little under the weather. Paninis are super easy and you definitely, I think, would benefit from having an actual panini press. I'll show you the one I have from Cuisinart, which I think is great. But if you don't, you can always just use a pan and then take another pan or pot and stick it on top of that so that way it squeezes together so it just gets that nice kind of smushed, kind of crunchiness and all the cheese gets all ooey gooey. We'll show you guys. Okay, so all you're gonna need is any type of bread that you want. We like using the cracked wheat sourdough bread.
Yes, we do. It's so good.
And then I just chopped up the veggies. This is sort of the process that makes it a little bit more gourmet, if you will, rather than just using cheese or whatever's there. Gourmet, that's a great question. Gourmet means a little bit fancy. That's all that means.
Fancy is a fancy.
Like Fancy Nancy.
Fancy Nancy and fancy fancy.
These are the veggies we chose, which are onions, bell peppers. We're doing red,
yellow bell peppers and some bell peppers and some spicy cheese, which is white and yellow cheese.
For me and the hubby, we like really fresh green jalapenos, so that's what we're using. So not like in the bottle.
Hubby is the husband.
Hubby is the husband. That is true. So we're just gonna grill these and we're gonna show you what we do. So as I mentioned, you can just chop up any veggies you want. We have red onions, different types of bell peppers. You can add mushrooms, anything that you wanna grill up. This is just what we had in the house, so this is what we're using today. All right, sous chef is grabbing the veggies and throwing them in a pot. You can use avocado oil, coconut oil, whatever you prefer, olive oil. Be very careful, it's on very low heat. Good job, Rian. So we're just putting all of that in there, and then Mila is going to, there, that's it. And then we don't put the jalapenos in because that we're gonna put in, we like it nice and fresh. So we're gonna put this to the side to let everybody share. Mimi, you put in some salt. There you go, perfect. Some pepper and some salt to season. So you just wanna get the veggies nice and pretty much just brown.
Chana Milana, but Chana Milana.
Mimi, you have to make sense when you're talking.
Okay.
This is the part where it gets a little bit more fun, I think, for the kids because they get to create their own sandwiches. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you right now. Rian, go ahead and take, okay, so the smaller ones we'll do for Mila. Mila, these two are yours. And then Rian, let's turn it like this way so it goes opposite.
Yes,
they look
baby.
like little bunnies, right?
Yes, baby. Yes,
Okay, so now we have the sliced cheeses. Pick whichever cheese you want. If you want pepper, if you want, I like to stack it really nice and full because then it gets all nice and gooey. So go ahead, Rian, assemble your sandwich.
Yes.
Good. Okay, buddy, you have one jalapeno on here. I'm worried about that.
Why I want jalapeno?
Okay, fine. This guy does have a knack for spice, so we'll put one jalapeno on there. And then we're gonna close this up.
No, I will. It's not the boss of my body.
Rian.
I'm putting. I wrote that in a book.
I don't want that much cheese on there, so you make mine.
This is a big one.
Yeah, it's okay.
Mom, I'm the Subway seeing who's gonna cook you your stuff.
It's like I'm at Subway? Yes, I would like a few jalapenos, please. Lots of peppers and onions. Thank you so much. All right, so this is what the sandwiches look like all assembled. And this is the griddler. Give me 1 second, buddy. This is the griddler by Cuisinart, which is what we use. I did spray it with this. It's just an olive oil spray from Trader Joe's. I'm going to spray this on top so it gets nice and crispy. And then we're gonna close it.
I'm gonna put this on.
Okay, go ahead and close it. And you wanna push down.
I got it. So then we can get the shape of the thing of the thing on the bread.
The marks, that's right. Oh, it's just been about 3 or 4 minutes. So do you see how crispy it's getting? And ooey and gooey and melty. I love when that cheese gets a little burned. It's so good. So I'm just gonna let it sit probably for another minute. All right, guys, so this is what comes out when it's done. It's just nice and gooey. It's like a gourmet grilled cheese.
Yeah.
Yum, look at that in there.
Mommy, your paninis are super delicious.
You're so sweet. With these, we always eat the little banana peppers.
Yeah.
Sorry, they're hot chili peppers. The hot chili peppers. Usually I'll make like a salad for my husband and myself because, you know.
Who's your husband?
What do you mean, who's my husband? Who's my husband?
Rian and me.
No, my husband is Daddy, honey.
Your husband is Mila and Rian.
You are my kids, silly person.
No.
Okay, anyways, so usually I'll do that as a side, and then the kids love like just some fresh avocado. Oh, okay. Okay, Mimi saying, tell everyone thank you. So we're gonna go enjoy these.
Just say thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you everyone for watching.
Bye everybody.